So good afternoon. In the previous video we have discussed about the basic features of Zotero. In that we have discussed about the creation of library, transfer of literature from the online resources, and manually addition of the reference, and how we can insert the PDF with the help of drag and drop method. So now in this lecture we are discussing about how we can cite or how we can manage the list of reference in a Word file. So first you have to open any Word files like this one. I am opening this file. So suppose I am writing this paper and I want to update this one with the citation or with the reference list. So now suppose in the new page, I'm going to the new page, delete this one. Now I'm writing suppose some articles about the landfill. I have write this line and I want to add a reference over here. So you have to go in a Zotero. You just, when you install the Zotero, it is automatically plug in with this Word file, and you can see here there are three options. First is add the citation, and another is add or edit the bibliography, then document reference, and unlink the citation. So I'll go through one by one each or every option. So first we have to add the citation. So actually first we have to open the Zotero. Sorry for that. So we have to open the Zotero also, so that we can easily link the Word file and Zotero. So before this you have to ensure that your Zotero library is opened or not. So now you want to add any reference from that particular library that you have managed in a previous video. So you have to add any reference over here. So you have to just go to the add button, and here the citation will come, and you have to select any keywords like water. So all the materials that is available in library, it will show here. So here if you want to add this citation, you have to just select it, and now you want to another citation, you have to just write a keyword and related to the landfill. You want to also want to add this one, and just make enter, so that citation will appear here. Now suppose you are typing another line and you want to add another reference over here. No, ma'am, just now we want to add another reference here. So you have to just go to the Zotero and then add. So now you can add another keyword, advanced. So now this stabilizing landfill leachates, I am just selecting this one. So it is again going. So By this you can add different citations. You are running literature. Now you have to update your bibliography, so you just click over here. Okay, so before this you have to add your cursor where you want to place your reference. Suppose in the last you want to place your reference, and then just you have to update your bibliography. So you can see here all the three references are enlisted in particular place. So this is how we can add our reference as a citation and in the reference list. Now the second thing is that how we can change the style of our reference as per our need. So you just go to the document preference, and here you can see the list of different type of citation style. So you can select any one of them. Like here I want to change it as per the Chicago Manual Style 17th edition, author and date style, and just go to the OK. So these all are updated as per that particular style. Now I want to select another style, so you can go in another option. So here I want to change it into the Vancouver style, and then you just click the OK. So it will update it as per the Vancouver style. So Vancouver style generally based on the numeric. So here these all options are enlisted as per the numbered format. Sometimes we have to arrange these reference as per our journal in which you have to submit your manuscript. So you can also find that particular journal in the database of this Zotero. So you just click in the manage style, and just a minute. You just add into the manage style, and then here you can see that get another style. So you just click in this one. So the Zotero repository for different type of journals, it has near about 10,102 styles. So you can select the journals in which you want to publish your data. Suppose here I want to submit my manuscript in food and bioprocess, food and environmental biology, and just I select this one. And once you select, it will show over here. You have to select it and then just make OK, and then refresh. So your then you have to select this one and then make OK. So your reference is updated as per the food and environmental biology. So you can also make your reference as per the journal preference. So we have to, you can again change. So you have to go in a manage style, just get an additional style. Now I want to change it as AAPS Pharmaceuticals. So you just select it. So it is already updated over here, and then you have to make OK. Then again go to the document reference, and then you have to select this one and then make the OK. So